That looks pretty bent up. So if you're wondering what this fine gentleman is doing up here on the roof, he is assisting me with cleaning out my insert pipe that goes from the wood insert inside the house up to the top of the chimney here. From what I understand, you should do this every year to clean out any creosote or buildup. And what he has here is several rods and a brush on the end that goes down into the tubing and basically brushes out all of the debris. Do you use a drill on yours at all?
No.
You don't? Okay. I was thinking about doing that from the inside when I was trying to get it going.
The biggest thing is to make sure you get them tight, because you don't want to lose your rod or your bristle.
Yeah, inside the... Or you're putting another rod on. Or you're trying to see how far down.
Right.
Based on the inside of the house, you're probably going to be about 4 feet off the ground. That would be my guess. How close are you now?
So it's below that ledge.
Yeah. That's definitely the right size brush because, like I said, the other guy actually had one in his barn. Doesn't look like you're getting a lot of resistance. So that's obviously not something you have to work up and down, like to break it free.
You do if you get to a spot where it's difficult.
Yeah.
And you want to work it back and forth and kind of turn it some.
How's that feeling to you?
If you turn it, you got to make sure you turn it like you're tightening it up.
Right.
You'll untighten it.
Yeah. I mean, just watching you, it looks like it's flowing pretty good through there.
Yeah.